Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all your Instagram chats with just a few simple steps. Be sure to stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Deleting all your Instagram chats at once is a great way to manage your conversations, especially if you have messages you no longer need. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the message icon in the top right corner of your home screen, or swipe left to access your direct messages inbox. You'll see a list of all your chats. To remove multiple messages at once, look for the three dots or similar icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. From there, select Select Chats. Now, go through your chat list and tap on the conversations you want to delete. Each selected chat will be marked with a check mark. Once you've selected all the chats you want to remove, tap the Delete button at the bottom right corner of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will show up. Just tap Delete to permanently remove those chats from Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple chats in one go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.